Learn physics in less than 1 minute. Today's topic is
the size of an atom. Take a 30 centimeter ruler, cut it into 2 pieces. Each piece is of 15 centimeters. Again, cut it into 2 pieces. Now this one would be of 7.5 centimeter. Take this, cut it into 2 pieces. It would be around 3.75 centimeter. Cut it into 2 pieces into equal parts. This would be around 1.85 centimeter. When this is again divided into 2 equal parts, the resultant would be of around 1 centimeter each. Now, taking this 1 centimeter, cut it again into 5 parts. As we have did for the length, we are now doing for the breadth. The last part will be given like a very small size. Now imagine the size of the final object. If this small line is made into 10 crore equal parts, how small it would be? Now we can estimate the size of an atom. The size of an atom is approximately in the order of 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Thank you.